Okay, this is Rider in Red and RPG coming live from a dumbass idea.
Riding in the rain.
Yeah, riding in the rain.
Here comes the rider in red.
Wait. Alright. Oh, there we go. Are you being annoyed right now?
No. Can you see my jaw?
No.
No?
No. I can see your eyes. I can also tell you haven't had a good sleep. Like legit haven't.
True. I went home very late.
How late?
Like 3.
3 is late now?
It is for a 25-year-old me. Who is late.
Okay. Are we good here?
Oh, also, you have to do this.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry I didn't prepare your throne. Alright, here, let me get a solid ground where it doesn't sleep. And you can get on it. Boom. Give me a... You remember how everything else? Hold on. Oh. Hold on. Now.
You can get on it.
Now get on it.
Okay. Wait.
Alright. Holy. RP. One day you're gonna get...
I can't see anything.
Okay. Hold on.
Oh shit!
You remember both hands down? Alright, let's go. What is this car doing? What is this car doing? Alright, let's... Also, what's up with the traffic jam here? Don't wiggle too much right now, okay? Fuck! Why are there so many cars?
It's a very populated area.
Yeah. Ooh, look at this.
I ruined my nails.
Did you get shit-faced yesterday?
What?
What?
Did you get shit-faced?
I got what?
What?
Shit-faced! Like drunk.
Yeah, just a little bit, no.
This guy is so adamant about like passing me. Go ahead. There we go. Beautifully executed, and he moves off forward. Is he gonna overtake or not? Is he? Nah, fuck it. Oh shit, I forgot to turn off my timer. Now it's gonna be going off for a while.
This guy does not do it
Yeah, he doesn't like bikes. I need a red light. Let's just stop here. There we go. Oh, there we go. Much better. My wrist was vibrating.
Why?
The timer.
Your what? Oh,
Whoop, da whoop. Scoop, da scoop.
yeah. I just broke my neck already.
Oh, that's okay. I think we're gonna be next. I hope so. Now your hands are alright. Kinda. What?
Yeah.
Tell
I
me
said
something.
no.
Oh. Hey.
What? What are you doing?
Scissor, hand, paper, whatever thing.
Oh.
Oh, rock,
I
paper,
have very
scissors.
limited vision. You know that, right?
Oh yeah. Oh fuck yeah. We're on.
You have to narrate stuff.
I have to narrate stuff?
Like, this is Hamali.
Like right now? Okay guys, ahead of you, you see this building called Hamalit. What is it about? What is Hamalit for?
You have concerts there.
Do you? Are they good?
Yeah. And also political parties gather to celebrate in Turkey.
You heard it right here, folks. Nowhere else. All right, we're good. We're good. This is such a bad idea for this weather, right? What's up, Arp? What you trying to...
I'll tell you if you turn your camera off.
What?
Turn your camera off and I'll tell you.
Are your hands cold by any chance?
And what?
Are your hands cold or are you cold?
No, not at all.
I think we'll just right to the garage.
Yeah?
Yeah? From here, but we'll still do a circle.
I'm good. Like, I'm not cold if you're...
Yeah, so am I, but I don't feel like getting further wet.
Okay.
And I don't think the weather is going to get better. I'd rather see you in a car as well today. Can we go back home to your place though, so you put on a skirt? I just like skirts. So chill, bounce more. Hold on, I'll tell you when to get on. All right, get on it. Wait. All right, we're good. So, merci. Saying?
I said leather jacket was a fantastic idea.
I know, right?
This is good.
What?
I thought this is good. I thought that would be great.
Okay. Cool.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah, we're still gonna have time. The bike is warm though, right? That's good.
Yeah, my legs are warm.
Okay, cool.
I've got an idea for what
Yeah?
we can do on these rides.
Oh, what
Like
we can
for
do
topics.
on what?
For topics to
Oh.
talk about.
Okay.
But I'll tell you when we
Yeah. this is Rider in Red and RPG coming live from a dumbass idea.
Riding
That's-
in the rain.
Yeah, riding in the rain. You know what, you guys? We were planning to discuss some really cool topics for the vlogs. And this is true commitment. Even through the rain, we're trying to deliver this shit for you, right?
Yep. When was the first time you got on a bike?
When was the first time I got on a bike? Oh, it was like, hold on. Oh, my face. That's all in the rain.
It got on his face. It's all over his face.
All right, your Uber has arrived. If you may. This was a crazy ride. Do you want me to undo your helmet?
When?
There's a button you're supposed to press.
Oh,
There we
yeah.
go, that's the one.
Okay, got it.
Here we go.